What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the LawnShark channel. I know it has been a minute since I put out a video. Life has been incredibly busy. Started a new company where I am doing some renovation projects for home renovation. I'm also doing some handyman work. And for those of you that don't know, I was not let go, but we had an acquisition of the company that I worked for 11 years, a company called VMware. It's a big technology company. And they gave me a big fat severance, and so that gave me the ability to decide what I wanted to do next. And with that, I have decided that I'm not going back to corporate America, and I'm going to do my own thing. So I'm going to continue to take care of my lawn, but I'm also starting this business. And I'll give you guys some more details on this, maybe if you want. Let me know if you want to hear more about it, and I'd be happy to share with you. No big secrets here. But in the meantime, it's been almost a month since I put out a video. And so I wanted to show you guys the progress since the last time that we showed a video and show you what's going on right now. So the front lawn is still pretty good. I mean, we have a little bit of browning there, and that's mostly because we got a lot of shade. The sun is actually coming up behind me right now. And it's just getting a lot of shade. It's just shifting over, so we don't get a lot of sun there, so it doesn't really recover as well, but it looks all right around it. And then the lawn here is looking really fantastic. Haven't mowed it in about a week, but as you can see right here, I've got a bunch of mushrooms, which is super interesting because we haven't gotten a lot of rain, but we have a bunch of mushrooms growing everywhere. So I'm gonna knock those out before I take the reel mower. And then back over here is the same idea as back where the other tree is. Just don't get a lot of sun there. It's just the way that the sun is shifting this time of the year. But then when you look at all the plugs that I pulled, still have a few holes, but not too bad. Got squirrels that are kind of destroying and hiding their stuff in here. And then this is moles that are wanting to come in from my neighbor's yard, which is super aggravating. They kind of come in a little bit and then they leave. And as you can see right here, they're getting pretty aggressive with trying to get into my lawn. So it's super annoying. And then we've got spurge, which I continue to battle. I've heard from a lot of you that you're running into the same issues that I am. We just have had a really bad spurge problem this year. And the moles are not helping me. But yeah, as you can see in my neighbor's yard, she's got a bunch of spurge. But this area right here seems to be the worst. And then the rest of the lawn doesn't look too bad. This one was another trail that the moles decided to do, and I basically drowned them. I just filled it full of water, and they haven't come back here yet. So I'm probably going to do that again there if I need to, if they come back there. Other than that, I think the lawn looks pretty good. So we're going to do a little quick mow, make it look a little bit better, and then I'll show you guys the results. Oh, shoot, I almost forgot about the plugs. Let me show you that. So the plug situation, over here, again, lots of shade. So I don't fully expect this to be too crazy because, we're just getting lots of shade in the morning, but it is green. So I think that the plugs are taking and they're going to be fine. We do have some weeds, obviously. But then when you look over here, where we get a little bit more sun, the plugs are spreading out. They're getting a little bit bigger. They're not going to get much bigger than where they are today, but maybe a little bit bigger. I'm really expecting the spring for it to really start to grow. So we're going to put down some perennial ryegrass here in a few weeks. And right now I just need to get the front yard mowed. And then the next project after this is we are going to go and do the backyard renovation. It's a disaster. I'm not even going to show it to you today. I'm going to start working on it tomorrow. I'm going on vacation next week, so I'm going to start working on it tomorrow. And then I will hopefully have an update video with that project for when I get back in a couple weeks. So I'm not putting out videos very, very often. Unfortunately, I'm just super busy. But I am going to try and get back to the weekly schedule. But I do want to show you one quick thing here. So where my truck is, I am building a carport. So this is another reason why I haven't really worked on the backyard, and you kind of get a glimpse of how nasty that is over there. But this is the other reason why I'm not working on my backyard. It's because I'm trying to get this carport built. So I put in the footers, got some anchors in there, and then I'll start building that in a couple weeks. But again, because of my new business, I just have not had time to really concentrate on much of anything. So everything's kind of falling behind, but such is life when you're trying to build an empire. So anyway, stick around, let's get this mow, and then we'll talk here in the end in a few minutes. All right, well, we are done. That wasn't too bad. Grass looks great. Take a look. It's actually in really good shape. Doesn't look bad at all. Those mushrooms will come back. But the more we mow over here, the better these holes look. You can barely see them. And from the street, you really can't see them at all. So they're filling in nicely. And then the grass over there is looking pretty good. We'll be putting down perennial ryegrass here soon, so it'll all be filled in. So that's pretty much it. Sorry guys, I've been taking so long to put out a video, but this is just a quick update on the front. The back is gonna be a fairly big renovation. I'm kind of getting to the point with the back where I just don't care that much. I'm gonna do some grass seed that was given to me, and I'll share with you what that is in the next video. But like I said, that'll probably be a couple weeks away because I'm on vacation, and the fact that we've got to let it grow. I want to show like the beginning and at the end, at least show that there's some germination if that happens. If it doesn't happen, then there won't be any video, but hopefully there is one. The other thing I want to share with you guys is that I hit 1,000 subscribers on my other channel, the Shark Shed. So you guys know I started that channel way back when I built my shed, and it has turned into a woodworking and home improvement channel. So if you guys have a chance, check it out. I do have a link down in the description, so I'd love your support if you haven't seen that yet. But for those of you that have already subscribed to that channel, I really appreciate it. So with that, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. And if I've earned your subscription, I would love it if you subscribe to the channel. And if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell, and we will see you in a couple weeks. Have a great week or two.